Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Fun English activity, letter sounds and U sound. We're going to play with sounds and letters. Are you ready? Let's go. Part 1. Beginning sounds. Look at all these colorful pictures. Can you guess the first sound in each picture? Let's say the word, hear the sound, and write the capital letter. At first picture, orange. Say it with me, orange. What's the first sound? O. That's right. It's the letter O. Write O on the line. Next, rope. Say rope. What do you hear at the beginning? Yes, write R for rope. Now we have strawberry. Say it with me. Strawberry. What sound comes first? Very good. Write S. Look, a beautiful necklace. Say necklace. The first sound is N. Awesome. Write N for necklace. Here's a big green tree. Say tree. What do you hear? That's right. Write the letter T. This is a colorful umbrella. Say umbrella. It starts with perfect. Write U for umbrella. Yum. A sweet yellow mango. Say it with me. Mango. What's the sound? Yes. Write M. And last, ice cream. Say ice cream. Beginning sound? I. Well done. Write the letter I. Wow. You did amazing writing all the beginning letters. Part 2. Sound of U. Now it's time to practice the sound of U. It makes the / sound, like in cup. Let's read these words out loud. Cut. Butt. Gut. Hut. Say them with me. Cut. Butt. Gut. Hut. Jug. Mug. Tug. Rug. Say them now. Jug. Mug. Tug. Rug. Gun. Fun. Run. Bun. Read with me. Gun. Fun. Run. Bun. Amazing. You just practiced writing beginning sounds and reading the short U sound. See you next time for more English fun. Bye-bye.